Here few questions related to HCF and LCM. So here the question is the product of two numbers is 625 and the LCM is 25. Find the HCF. Now you all know very well how to take out HCF and LCM. So product of HCF and LCM is equal to product of two number. So now always this is like that. Means product HCF multiplied by LCM, we have product of two numbers. So what is formula now? How to find out HCF? HCF is equal to product of two number divided by LCM. So we have to do 625 divided by 25. Divide it and take out the answer. The answer is 25. So find the HCF. Answer is 25. HCF answer is 25. So this is the formula. If you want to take out LCM, then that is again same. LCM is equal to product of two numbers upon HCF. That is formula. Find the largest number which is a factor of 180 and 336. Largest number means HCF, highest common factor, and the smallest number means LCM, lowest common multiple. And you all know the difference between the factors and multiples. Multiple means long number multiply and factor means division. So what to do? Take out HCF of this sum. 180 divided by 336. So what to do here? 180 minus 8, 13 minus 8, we have 5, and then 2 minus 1, we have 1. Now take this 180, again ones are 156, so 4, 2. Then take again this 156. So what to do? Now take it out 24. So we have 24. Just find out. Yes, 6 are. Yes, 24. 6 are 144. So here we have 6. 1, 4, 4. Now minus it 2, 1. So here we have 22. 2s are. So here we have 0. So now which one is the highest common factor? That is 12. So the answer is 12 is the. Find the largest number which is factor of 180 and 36. So 12 is the largest number. So what to do? Always take in your mind, whenever we have largest number means HCF. 12 is the largest number. 12 is the largest number. The way we have division method and take out HCF. Now next question is find the greatest number that can divide 392 and 462 exactly. Exactly means at the end you get 0 as a reminder. Now what to do? Greatest number means HCF. We have to find out HCF through division method. Now here 392 ones are 392. Now here we have 0, 16 minus 9, we have 7 and then 0. So what to do? Now 392 divided by 70. So you have to take help of multiplication. Now look at here, 72 4s are 280. No, we have to go 72 5s are 350. Yes, we have to go 5 times. 350. Now 2 zeros are 0, 4. Now here we have to do 70. Again ones are 42. So 8 and 2. Now take it 42. So 28. Then we have 28 ones are 28. Then what is remainder? That is 14. Now 14 is exactly divisible by 28. 2s are. So here we have 14. 28 2s are 14 2s are 28. So this one is the HCF. HCF is 14. So the answer is, what is the answer? Greatest number that can divisible by 392 and 462 exactly, that is 14. So you have to write answer in full sentence, as the answer is always in your question. So you take it from there and write the answer like that. Here we have what is the smallest number that is divisible by 20, 48, 72. Smallest number means LCM. Lowest common multiple. For that, you take all the numbers all together and do it division method. So first we take the smallest prime number, that is 2. 2 tens, 20, 24, 36. Again all are even number. So again you take 2. 5, 12, 18. Now 2 are even number, again you take 2 and take out carry 5 as it is. Now we have 6 and 9. Again 1 is even number, so again you divide by 2. So 5, 3, 9. So what comes after 2? We have 3. So now 5, take it as it is, 1, 3. Now again take it 3. 5 as it is, 1, 1. Now last one we have to take 5. 1, 1, 1. So now what to take? LCM. To find out LCM, we have to multiply all multiples. So we have 2 multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, then 3, 3, 5. So it is quite difficult to multiply all the numbers. So for your ease, you do one thing. Take all the 2's first. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 16. Then 3 into 3 into 5. So do it like that. Then 16 into 3. So we have 48. Take it like that, into 3 into 5. Now take 48 into 3. So 48 into 3 we have 144 into 5. So the last one is 720. So this is the easiest way to find the LCM, as first to take all 2's. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 6, 8 to the 16, then 3. So it is very easy for you to take out LCM like that. Then 16 into 3, 48 into 3 into 5. So this is the answer. So the answer is 720 is the smallest number that is divisible by 20, 48 and 72.